Hello everybody, and thank you so much for joining us today. We are exploring the colour of the month, which is caramel, for all of those January babies out there. Today we're going to create a freestyle arrangement using this beautiful copper punch bowl. So in the copper punch bowl I've already placed some mesh, so quite eco-friendly this one. Okay, no wet foam used. And you'll need the usual Florist box. But from the Florist box, really you're only either going to need scissors or secateurs, so really simple on the sundry items today. My fresh flowers, however, are a glorious colour mix of caramel tones. So we have some Chrysanthemum Bloom Pip Salmon. We have some more chrysanthemums, but this one is a Santini, so a little miniature spray one. That one's called Ellison Salmon. We have a spray rose. Now this is gorgeous. This one's called Antiqua. We have some really interesting Ranunculus. You probably haven't seen these ones before. This one's called Butterfly Hades. Now it's quite a dark tone. It's almost a burnt red almost. But we thought that balanced beautifully with the caramel colour palette that we're using today. So just to give you a little bit of an idea on how those colours work well together. We've also got some Lisianthus, and that one's called Bohemian Mocha. Again, that's sort of caramelly toned. And then we also have some Rose Menta, and we also have some beautiful toffee roses. So we've got 5 toffee roses and 5 Menta roses. Okay, so just to explain a little bit how this arrangement would work, it's very much freestyle. So lots of textures and varieties which help to give it that sort of natural freestyled look. And it's got endless possibilities for use. I mean, you could use it for any occasion really, in the home, perhaps for a wedding, even a corporate event it would work really well for. And if you're doing some events, so that kind of styling for an event that you may have, very natural, free-flowing. So yeah, I hope it inspires you to have a little go and enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed watching our freestyle arrangement. No rules as such, so a selection of flowers, different textures, different sizes, just creates that natural freestyle look. So I have a couple of tips for you. In fact, I have 3 top tips for you. So top tip number 1, the arrangement can be made a couple of days in advance before it's required and then stored somewhere nice and cool. Do make sure though that it's frost free at this time of the year, because obviously flowers will not like frost. Okay, so top tip number 2 can be perfect for flowers that don't really like being in oasis. So things like hyacinths, amaryllis, that kind of thing. Things that are not great in oasis work beautifully in this style because they're permanently drinking water. And then top tip number 3 can actually be created in any colour style any colour palette that you want to use. So depending on the decor that it's going in or the event that it's being used for, any colour palette would work well with this style. All right. So thank you for watching this month's Caramel Colour of the Month. Next up, we'll be exploring sheer lilac during the month of February, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like us, share us with your friends and family, and comment below. And importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we've got loads of tips and hints and inspirational ideas for home, events, and just for that special occasion. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.